If your motivation letter looks like a grocery list, you're not alone. Here's how to spice it up. Applying for a BSc in International Management? Your motivation letter is your golden ticket. Start with a clear introduction, showcasing your academic achievements and passion for business. Highlight any work or extracurricular activities that demonstrate your skills. Mention why this specific program excites you and how it aligns with your career goals. Remember, personal anecdotes make your letter memorable. Discuss any international experience or interest in global business. It's a big plus. Finally, wrap it up with a confident closing, expressing your enthusiasm for the opportunity. Review, refine, and let your personality shine through. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Good luck.